Ay, 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 ay.
Hey, what up y'all, it's your girl Stallicorn and I'm back at it again with another tutorial. Alright guys, so it's kind of late at night, early in the morning type thing, so I'm not gonna be yelling like how I usually do. For this tutorial today, I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to do faux locks. I know butterfly locks are like the trend right now, but this is my attempt at the butterfly locks, and some of them came out butterfly like and then some of them came out just regular locked. So if you don't know how to do butterfly locks and you just want to do regular faux locks, just keep watching this video. This tutorial will be super easy to follow, super easy to explain. Anybody could do it. So yeah guys, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified for when I drop more videos just like this one. So the hair that I'm using today is the Water Wave 22-inch crochet braids by Authentic African Braiding Hair Collection. And I just want to give Sam's Beauty a big shout out for sending me this. I was actually going to try a crochet braid hairstyle, but I wanted to do some faux locks for the first time. So this is what they look like. Of course, they look like some Water Wave bundles, but we're actually going to do some faux locks with them. So before you even start putting in the crochet braids and start faux locking your hair, you want to make sure that your hair is in different braiding sections so that you can actually have something to hold on to when you're putting the hair on. Now you want to take 2 strands of the crochet braids and you just want to pull them apart so that they're actually stretched out and they don't look too uniform. You don't have to do this, but I usually take one side, make one side longer and make one side shorter before I crochet the hair in, because it makes it easier to pull one end out. So what you're going to do is push the crochet needle underneath your braid, and you're going to want to put the crochet hair in the needle hook and then pull it through. And then once you pull that through, you just pull the shorter side through. It just makes it easier that way. Once you pull it through, you should have 2 even sides of crochet braid on either end of the braid. Next, you want to take your braid and mix it into one side. I usually put it in my non-dominant hand so that I can actually use my dominant hand to wrap the hair around. So first, the way that we're going to wrap is that we're going to wrap the hair in an upwards motion. And then we're going to go downwards after we do that about 3 or 4 times. I'm playing everything in normal speed so that you guys can actually see what I'm doing, and you can actually replay it back and pause in all of that. So now we're gonna start wrapping the hair downwards, and of course you see I'm putting my thumb there, but I did realize that once I had my thumb there it was loosing out. So you're just gonna want to wrap it normally first so that it can actually have a hold onto your braid. And you'd want to keep wrapping your hair down until you have no more hair left on that one strand. So just keep wrapping, keep wrapping, keep wrapping, keep wrapping. You don't have to put your thumb here for this part. The part where you would have to put your thumb to get that butterfly look would be what's coming up next. So as you're getting closer and closer to the bottom, you're going to want to keep wrapping it, keep wrapping it, keep wrapping it, keep wrapping it until you have no more hair for that strand. Then next, in order to actually loop it and lock it off, you take the remaining hair, the curly part, and you wrap it upwards until you have like a little stub at the bottom, and you just keep wrapping upwards until you feel like you have a decent hold. Now in order to actually get the butterfly effect, You're going to want to put your thumb in the middle of the twist, and you're going to want to do it very loosely so that it can actually hold nice and have that butterfly effect. And of course, to lock it off at the top, you just keep wrapping until there's no more hair left. For some reason, with water wave hair, it has a great hold so that you don't have to put a rubber band, you don't have to spray it down with any spray to actually give it that good hold. So that's what I really like about using this hair. And of course, you would get it from Sam's Beauty. So you know, if you want to style it up a little bit, you just put in your little gold clips and call it a day. I use these gold clips that I got from the beauty supply store. You can always find some seashells, or you can find some elephant clips and just throw them in there. So yeah guys, this is my end result. Like I said before, some of them came out butterfly like, and then some of them came out regular. So this was my first time actually doing my hair in faux locks, so just give me a break, don't chew me up. Okay, I will try again in like a week or so just to see if I can actually get the butterfly lock down, and I will be recording that for you guys and uploading it for you guys so that you can actually learn, because the butterfly locks method, it ain't easy. Okay, it ain't easy. So yeah guys, so if you did enjoy this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you have anything to say, drop it in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos just like this one, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for me. Thank you for watching. Bye.